In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with the game Marathon is having an issue with error, weird error code, or server connection error, or error code BEAGLE that is happening for many of the reasons when you're trying to play the game. Due to many reasons, if you're having this, then how we can fix it. So let's get started. First of all, what we need to do is we have to allow the game exe to the antivirus. To do so, we have to go over here, type here for Windows Security. Now we need to click on the Windows Security. Once you get into the Windows Security, just wait. You have to click on the Virus and Threat Protection. Now from here, click on Manage Setting. Now we have to click on Add or Remove Exclusion. Now go for Yes. Now add the game. So to do so, click on Add an Exclusion. Go to File. Now from here we have to go to this PC, go to local disk E, Steam library, Steam amps, go to common. Now from here click on Marathon. Now from here we have to add the launcher. So this is the application. We are having this one over here. This is the Marathon. So click on open and you have to add it. Once you add the game, you can close this. Similarly, we have to go over here, search here for control panel. Then we have to click on the control panel. Once you get into the control panel, we have to click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here, go to Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Setting, go to Allow another app. Now from here, we have to click on Browse. Now if you don't find the game here, for example, if you don't find the Marathon game here, you have to keep scrolling down. If you find the Marathon game, make sure that you put a check on this box, private and public. If you don't find it, we have to click on Allow another app, go to the Browse. Now from here, go to this PC, go to local disk E, Steam library, Steam amps, go to common, go to over here, you have to scroll it down and navigate to the game Marathon. Now from here, we have to select this and go for open. Now you have to add it, and also make sure we have to add, go to battle eye. You have to add these service x64 as well. Go to open it and add it. Once you add it, you have to put a check on both these boxes. Once you put a check on these boxes, you have to go back and check. Next one, we have to update the Windows. Go over here, type here for settings, click on the settings. Now from here, go to update Windows. Now we have to check for the Windows update. Now go to the Windows update here. Once the Windows is up to date, we have to check for update. And after the Windows is update, still if you're having the trouble with this, sometimes that is very important, updating the Windows. Also go to the time and language, go to date and time. Make sure time zone automatically is turned on. Time automatically is turned on, and also make sure sync now. We have to click on sync now. So it will be synced. Once you sync this, you have to close this and we have to go back, check while launching the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, what you need to do is we have to disconnect and reconnect. Then you have to check. If you're on the Wi-Fi, disconnect it, then reconnect back and check. Or if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, switch to a different network. So here I am on Ethernet. So I have to switch to a different network. Then I have to check. That will help. So that even worked for many users. So you can try this out. Next one, if you're on the VPN, we have to go over here. The reason why this is happening is the VPN. So go to over here, network and internet, go to the VPN, check for VPN. If VPN is connected, that is the reason. So try disconnecting the VPN. Then we have to launch the game and you have to check. Stay if you're having the trouble, you can try with the next one using the Google DNS. For that, we have to go over here, search here for control panel. Now click on the control panel. Now from here, go to network and sharing center. Now go to change Raptor settings. Now from here, you have to the users with Ethernet, you have to select Ethernet. If you're on the Wi-Fi, select right click and select the Wi-Fi, go to the properties. Now we have to select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4, go to the properties. Now make sure this should be set to obtain an IP address automatically. If any value is there, just change this to automatically, then change back. Now you have to give the value that is 8888, go for 8, 8, 4 and 4. Once you give this value, go for OK. And once you set this up, we have to just uncheck this, then go to the game. Now launch the game. After the game is successfully working fine, and once you play the game, you can just go over here and you can just connect it back. You can put a check on this. While playing the game, uncheck this. Then go for OK. Similarly, If the value 88 is not working, go to the same over here to the Internet Protocol version 4, go to the properties. Now give this value, that is 1 1 1 1, go for 1 0 0, sorry 0, you have to type 0 and we have to go for 1. Just go for OK, uncheck this, launch the game. If game is working fine, you have to proceed with that. After the game is successfully done, you have to put a check on this box, then you have to check. Next one is all about what we need to do is we have to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So go over here, right click, go to the properties, go to installer file, click on browse. Now from here find the launcher. So this is the launcher, so you have to right click, go to show more option, and now from here go to the properties, go to compatibility, put a check on run this program in the compatibility mode, put a check on run this program as an administrator, go for apply and go for OK. Then you have to check. Next one, we have to verify the game file. So to do so, we have to right click, go to the properties, go to installer file, verify game file. Once the game is verified, you have to check and that will work. Next one, we have to use CMD. We need to give few commands in the CMD which are very important. Just type here for CMD, click on run as administrator. Now we have to go for yes. Now we need to type the first command, that is IP config, then put a space / flush DNS. Press enter. Next one, IP config, put a space / go for release, press enter. Next one, we need to type IP config, put a space / go for renew, press enter. Next one, we need to type NETSH, put a space, go for winsock, then go for reset. You have to winsock reset. You just need to type reset, press enter. I'll be giving these in the video description. Now go for NETSH, go for winsock, then go for IP v4, then go for reset. Press enter. Next one, we need to type NETSH, then we have to go for interface, go for IPv6, go for reset, press enter. Next one, NETSH interface, go for TCP, then go for reset, press enter. Once these values are done, we have to close this, do a restart on your computer, then you have to launch it and you have to check. Next one, what you need to do is if you're on the VPN, that is the reason. So try turning off the VPN like I said in the previous step, and also verify the game file. So go over here, right click, go to the properties, go to installer file, verify the game file. This will cross check every single files of a game. If any files are corrupted or if any files are missing, that is the reason why this is happening. So just do this and you have to launch the game. So these are the steps. That's it. Bye.